Hello guys, Devjyoti here from webshootip.com, and in today's video I am going to tell you how to design full scale background image landing page with transparent navbar in Bootstrap 3. The same thing, the same CSS property you can use in Bootstrap 4 also. Okay, and along with that I am also going to tell you how you can work with animate.css and o.js. When I'm going to refresh it, you can see some very good animation effect. Just see it, how it's work. See, some good animation effect, yeah. And when you scroll down, you can see in good thumbnail animation also. See, okay. So let's start. So here I open my Adobe Viewer and I take a standard Bootstrap 3 document, and I already add CSS and JS files. Okay, so after that I have to add my custom style set here. So in the CSS, take a new CSS file, okay, like my style dot CSS. Okay, so here after the Bootstrap style set added, here I have to link up that custom style set, link and CSS, and here I have to go to my style.css. So now I have to save it. After that I have to take the Bootstrap 3 navbar. Okay, so for the Bootstrap 3 navbar I have to come here, and from the you have to go to that Bootstrap 3 official page. After that component, from the component navbar. Okay, now I have to copy all this. Okay, all this code here. Okay, just come here, after the body, paste it, save it, check it how it's look like. Okay, it's come. Now after that I have to take one background. Okay, so for that I have to do take a water class, come back to the browser, after the nav, give some space. So div class is equal to wrapper. Okay, after the wrapper now I'm going to doing another class, inner, sorry, div class equal to inner, close it again, and now for the I'm taking another class, content. Okay, class content, content, close it. Now I'm taking one header 2, means h2. So in between that I can write anything. I'm writing like full screen landing page with transparent nav or something. Okay, exclamation symbol. So after that I'm taking a little paragraph, and so I don't need that much text. Till that is enough, I think. Okay, so after that taking some bottom for that class is equal to btn. After that btn, you can take anything, bottom default, bottom success, bottom danger. I am taking here bottom red one will be good, so danger. So after that button lg for the big button, sorry, dash l g. Okay, so close it and write something random like click here or something, click here. Okay, so save it and check it how it's look like. Yeah, it will look like that. Now I have to use CSS, and before using the CSS I'm taking some thumbnail. Okay, so taking another thing I'm taking our container div class equal to container. So search the one. Okay, now div class will be row. Okay, now you can take, I'm using 3 thumbnail in the medium size screen, okay, in a single row. So call md4. Okay, div class will be, so call md and c4. Okay, so after that call md4 div class will be thumbnail, thumbnail, sorry, thumbnail. So thumbnail, and after that close the thumbnail tag, and after that use some image tag. Okay, so I have to tag the image img in the image, in the src, in the image source. I have to go browse yeah, this image, and after that you have to take alt tag, or you can give the any name. I'm giving here thumbnail image, thumb nail thumb. Okay, thumbnail image, and thumbnail image 1 I'm giving because I'm taking total 3 images. Okay, so after image I'm taking dim, so dim class will be the caption. Okay, so in the caption I'm taking h3, and h3 I'm giving the something travel pack. Okay, travel pack 1. After h3 I'm going to add some paragraph. Okay, so it will be like random text I'm going to add here. Okay, so after paragraph I have to add some bottom, so bu button, and class will be button primary. Okay, so role equal to button only, close it, and write something like buy now. Okay, yeah, so and I can take in that in a paragraph. Okay, in a simple paragraph. So just make sure it will come in next line like that. Okay, close it and save it. I'm changing this image. Actually I take another image here because I plan to take this image for the main background. Okay, so here I'm taking this image. Let's save it and check it how it's look like. Okay, it's coming little bit. So I have to take another 2 thumbnail, so just copy till there. Okay, copy and paste it, and again another time paste it. So change that image, and here in the source I'm going to change the image in the browse, I'm taking another one. Okay, and here also I'm taking going to change this image and taking another one. Okay, this browse and going to take that. Okay, so travel pack 2, and here I'm mentioning travel pack 3. Save it and check it once how it's coming. Yeah, it's coming good. Now I'm going to add some CSS for that, and for the CSS you can find all the CSS in my blog. Actually, I'll giving the blog link in the description of this video, because the CSS is very big and it will take huge time to write all this code. Okay, anyhow I'm going to explain that. So my website will be web-SEOtip.com. okay, from the web-SEOtip.com you have to go in the blog session. Okay, there you can find a blog about that in this full screen landing page with the transparent name. So in this you have to click here. Anyhow I'm going to keep the link, so don't worry about that. So from there you can find all this HTML and CSS code. Okay, yeah, that's the HTML code, and after that it will be JS will be there. So copy all the JS and copy everything, and just copy and come here, and after that you have to paste it. For that you have to add the custom style set here. Okay, so link tab and CSS. So here will be my style.css. I'm going to add here. Save it. So here open this my style.css and copy everything here. Okay, and save it. So after save it, you have to take this my nav class. Okay, and come in the source code and go into that navbar session, and here just add the class. Okay, after that save it and open in the DL browser preview. See, it's come now. Okay, refresh it, so check. Yeah, it's coming properly. Yeah, it's coming. Now I'm going to tell you how to add animate.css and o.js. First of all, I'm going to tell how to add that animate.css. So it will add the animation effect in the text or in the thumbnail, wherever you're going to add this. Okay, so open animate.css. Okay, the animate.css. Here actually I already add this, and from there you have to download actually animate.css, and I already actually download it, so I'm not going to download it again. So I have to add it, of course. So link and CSS, and CSS animate.css. Save it. After that come in the browser. Here there is so many effect is there. Okay, so many effect is there, and see, whenever you choose some effect, so that animate.css text animated like that way. Like here there is a class bounce in right. Okay, so what I have to do, just add this in the class. Okay, so here I'm going to add some animation effect, bouncing down for class, bouncing left, some random effect I'm adding for that also. Okay, so for the thumbnail class also I'm going to add some effect. I have to add here, like fading down, fading down, padding down. Okay, save it. I think it will not appear because I have to add o.js with it. See, it's not working because I have to add o.js. Okay, so for that actually I have to come o.js. I already add it in my document, so o.js. In the how to use, you have to click after that. Okay, you have to copy everything and paste it. I did do it. Okay, yeah, this is you have to do. And after that, before the animation effect, for everything you have to add a class WOW. Okay, okay, here also. And for giving some delay, you have to give some delay also, because I mean after some time we want that our animation effect should start. Here also. Okay, so for that delay I have to come back here, and here some option will be data duration and data delay. You have to add that. I don't need 5-second delay, it will be very humongous delay. I mean I need some 1 second like that. Let's copy it, sorry, till that. Okay, copy it and after the class paste it. I need 1 second, 1 second is enough. Okay, so just copy that, paste it, paste it. Here also same thing, paste, paste it, paste it. Now save it. See, it's work now. Very really nice animation effect is coming now. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. And if you like my video, please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get the latest update.